What's up, everyone? If you've ever wanted a robot vacuum that actually keeps your place clean without you thinking about it, whether you're dealing with pet hair, daily dust, or just don't want to vacuum every week, there are some seriously capable options out there right now. Robot vacuums today can map your home, avoid obstacles, empty themselves, and even mop your floors with minimal effort. In this video, we're checking out the best robot vacuums of 2026, from simple cleaners to fully automated systems. All the links are down below. Let's get started. The Yui C28 is the best budget robot vacuum on this list, and Yui's most capable C-Series model without crossing into flagship pricing. It's a vacuum and mop combo that works well for pet owners, apartments, and busy households that want solid automation without spending over $1,000. The compact form factor comes paired with a 5-in-1 Omni station that handles dust emptying, mop washing, hot air drying, clean water refilling, and wastewater collection, all in a dock that won't take over your room. Cleaning power sits at 15,000 Pascal, and the Boost IQ feature automatically increases suction when carpet is detected. The Duo Spiral anti-tangle brush system pulls hair into the dustbin rather than letting it wrap around the roller, a real plus for pet households. On the mopping side, the Hydrojet roller spins at 270 RPM with 1 kilogram of downward pressure and continuously washes itself with fresh water during operation to reduce streaking. Navigation runs on iPath, which uses AI obstacle avoidance and builds detailed floor maps. The Yui app supports multi-floor maps, schedules, and no-go zones with Alexa, Google, and Siri compatibility included. Edge cleaning is the one area where the C28 doesn't fully deliver. It can miss debris along baseboards and occasionally needs a second pass. That said, for its price bracket, this thing punches well above its weight. If you want self-emptying, self-mopping automation without the premium price tag, start here. Next up, the Narwhal Flow is a premium pick built around one of the most advanced mopping systems available right now. It's ideal for homes with mostly hard floors, kitchen-heavy layouts, homes with kids, or anyone who mops manually and wants that completely automated. The dock is worth highlighting up front. It washes the mop with 173 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, dries with warm air, and auto-empties a 2.5-liter dust bag rated for up to 120 days of hands-free use. An optional plumbed-in version connects directly to your home's water lines for a fully zero-maintenance setup. Suction is rated at 22,000 Pascal, which handles pet hair and embedded debris well across hard floors and low-pile carpet. When carpet is detected, the track mop lifts 12 millimeters to keep rugs dry. The standout feature here is the Flow Wash system, a track-style roller that continuously washes itself and a built-in scraper, applying 1.2 kilograms of downward pressure along the way. That means you're always mopping with a clean pad rather than dragging dirty water around. Navigation uses dual HD cameras with AI that recognizes over 200 object types, and the battery delivers up to 190 minutes of runtime. The Narwhal app has a lot going on, enough that some users find the customization options overwhelming at first. If you want simple and hands-off, expect a short learning curve. For homes that prioritize deep, hard floor mopping, the Flow is one of the best options here. Moving forward, the iRobot Roomba Max 705 is available in two versions, a vacuum-only model and a full combo version with mopping, so you can pick based on what your home actually needs. It's built for busy households with kids, pets, and unpredictable floor messes, and it's designed to be accessible. The dock, whether auto-empty or auto-wash, has a clean, modern profile that fits into most living spaces without looking out of place. Setup takes under 10 minutes, and the whole system is straightforward from day one. Navigation combines ClearView Pro LiDAR with Precision Vision AI, creating detailed 3D maps and auto-naming rooms in the Roomba Home app. It stores up to 5 maps and recognizes objects including cords, socks, and pet waste, day or night. The anti-tangle dual rubber brushes and edge-sweeping brush handle debris across surfaces, and Carpet Boost automatically increases suction on carpeted areas. The auto-empty dock captures particles as small as 0.7 microns and holds debris for 75 days. For the combo version, the Power Spin roller mop spins at 200 revolutions per minute with smart scrub motion and downward pressure, while the auto-wash dock adds heated mop washing, heated drying, and auto-refilling, covering 8 weeks of mopping hands-free. Compared to higher suction competitors on this list, the Max 705's raw extraction power on deep carpet cleaning falls a step behind. It's the trade-off for a more polished, approachable system. For households that value reliability, clean software, and iRobot's long track record, it's still a strong choice. Also worth considering is the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete, a newer model making a big first impression in the flagship space. It's designed for homes with mixed flooring, heavy pet hair, and real terrain challenges. Thick rugs, doorway thresholds, uneven surfaces. The all-in-one dock handles auto-emptying, 176 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, dual-solution refilling for both general floor cleaning and pet odor management and hot air drying, making the whole maintenance loop largely automatic. Suction is rated at 28,000 pascals via the TurboForce 9 motor, and the anti-tangle Trobo Wave Duo brush pairs a rubber brush with a rubber bristle brush to pull hair away efficiently on both hard floors and carpet. The Auto Shield system detects carpet, lifts and covers the roller mop, and deploys a moisture shield, all while maintaining full suction power and side brush rotation, so it doesn't slow down. HydroForce mopping uses 12 spray nozzles to continuously rinse the roller with clean water during cleaning, collecting dirty water separately to prevent cross-contamination. For navigation, it combines DTOF mapping, dual laser 3D structured light, an RGB AI camera, and LED illumination, identifying over 200 obstacle types. The Stepmaster system uses retractable legs to climb obstacles up to 80 millimeters, among the highest threshold crossing specs in this class. The auto-empty intake can occasionally clog with larger debris during the first few runs. It's not a frequent issue, but worth doing a quick periodic check on the channel. For pet households and mixed floor homes, the Z60 is a genuinely strong flagship-level performer. The Roborock S20 is the brand's current flagship and one of the most capable robot vacuums available in 2026. It's best suited for large homes, high-pile carpets, and anyone who wants top-tier suction paired with intelligent whole-home navigation. At 3.14 inches tall, it slides under furniture that trips up most other robots. The new Rock Dock is fully automated. It washes mops with 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, dries at 131 degrees Fahrenheit, auto-empties, auto-refills water, dispenses detergent, and runs self-cleaning cycles after each session. Suction reaches 36,000 pascals via the HyperForce motor, nearly double its predecessor, backed by a dual anti-tangle brush system optimized for long hair and pet fur. Navigation is powered by Starsight Autonomous System, which uses solid-state LiDAR embedded directly into the robot's body, eliminating the need for a top-mounted tower. It recognizes over 300 obstacle types and detects 20-plus kinds of floor stains. The AdaptiLift chassis crosses double-layer thresholds up to 3.46 inches, Roborock's highest yet, and can dynamically raise its chassis to deep clean carpets up to 1.18 inches thick. Dual spinning mops automatically increase downward pressure on tough stains, and Smart Plan learns your home layout and cleaning habits over time. The S20 can sometimes leave sections of hard floors unmopped during full home runs. Not a deal breaker, but worth keeping in mind for larger spaces. Overall, it still stands out as one of the top performers for cleaning power and automation. On the other hand, if mopping performance is your top priority, the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller stands out as one of the most mopping-focused flagships in this roundup. It's Dreame's first robot vacuum with a continuous clean roller mop system, what they call Aqua Roll, and it works fundamentally differently from pad-style mops. It's ideal for homes with mostly hard floors, sticky spills, and pets. The Power Dock automates dust emptying, roller cleaning at up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and hot air drying at 149 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping the mop hygienic after every single session. Suction is rated at 30,000 pascals, and the HyperStream Duo brush with an extending side brush handles debris across hard floors and carpet. It picked up 93% of flattened pet hair from carpet, above average for its class. The Aqua Roll system runs a 4-step mopping cycle: spray, scrub, squeeze, and refresh, continuously rinsing the roller with fresh water while dirty water is collected into a separate onboard tank. The Fluff Roll counter roller spins in the opposite direction to lift mop fibers for better contact with dried-on stains. When carpet is detected, an auto seal guard closes over the roller to prevent drips. Navigation combines OmniSight dual 160 degrees cameras and a 360 degrees retractable LDS sensor, identifying 240-plus obstacle types. Pro Leap suspension handles double thresholds up to 2.36 inches. In some cases, the dock's base station can leak water, something Dreame is aware of. It's not a common issue, but still worth keeping in mind. For homes where deep, hygienic mopping matters as much as vacuuming, the Aqua 10 Ultra earns its place. That's it for today. Whether you need something simple, powerful for pet hair, or fully automated, there's a robot vacuum here for every budget. Links are in the description for the latest prices. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.